TesStudio blind spot monitoring system for Model 3 and Model Y installation tutorial. Remove the decorative panels on both sides of the dashboard. Loosen the dashboard panel without fully removing it. Attach the two indicator lights to the left and right sides of the dashboard, hiding the wires under the dashboard panel. Extend the wires out from the side. Pry open the decorative panel on the passenger side door frame. Prepare the signal wire included in the product kit. Connect the smaller end to the control box. Connect the indicator light wires to the control box. Finally, connect the larger ends of the signal wire to the car. Installation complete.